I deeply understand your anguish and frustration when, after a tiring and hectic day, we find ourselves unable to sleep. It's as if fatigue turns into a burden too heavy for our shoulders. But do not despair. I am here to offer you a guided meditation step by step that will help you find the tranquility and rest you so desperately need. With this guide, you will be able to fall asleep quickly and wake up renewed to face a new day. Find a place that is a true refuge for your soul. A place where you can leave all your worries and tensions behind. Allow yourself to be enveloped by the feeling of peace and tranquility. And choose a place where you can feel completely at ease. It can be your bed, where you feel safest and most comfortable. Or any other place that makes your heart smile. Allow yourself to relax and enjoy the comfort of this special place, where all that matters is your well-being. Now gently close your eyes and take a deep breath, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Feel the air entering your lungs and bringing a sense of freshness and tranquility. Focus exclusively on your breathing, setting aside all other thoughts that may disturb your mind. Just feel the movement of the air entering and leaving your body, while you dive into a deep and renewing peace. Allow yourself to breathe in peace, feeling life flowing through your veins and leaving all your worries behind. As you inhale deeply, feel how peace, serenity, calmness, and love invade your entire being. Allow yourself to feel each of these sensations filling every cell of your body, bringing a deep and welcoming peace. And as you exhale, let all the fatigue, all the stress, and all the agitation dissolve with the exhale, leaving your body increasingly light and relaxed. Allow yourself to release everything that no longer serves while letting the air carry away all the weight from your shoulders. Feel free to breathe, to live, and to let peace invade every corner of your being. Now it's time to visualize a calm and serene place, all white like peace. Let this image take over your mind, enveloping you in a feeling of love and tranquility. Feel the fresh and pure air gently caressing your face, bringing with it a soft breeze that refreshes your entire being. Allow yourself to be carried away by this feeling of harmony and balance. Allowing the fresh breeze to carry away all the stress and tension accumulated in your body. Feel completely at ease and protected in this place of peace where all that matters is the well-being of your heart and mind. Take a deep breath and feel free to enjoy this deep peace that envelopes your entire being. Now begin to relax every part of your body, starting with your feet. Feel the tension accumulated in this region slowly dissolve while you focus all your attention on this relaxation process. Notice how every muscle in your feet loosens and relaxes, bringing a feeling of relief and well-being. Feel completely at ease, surrendering to this feeling of deep relaxation. Now focus on the muscles in your legs and allow all the tension accumulated in this region to disappear. Feel each muscle in your legs loosen and relax while you let yourself be enveloped by the feeling of peace and tranquility. Take a deep breath and feel how each part of your body becomes lighter and more relaxed. Then focus on the muscles in your belly and chest. and allow all the tension accumulated in these regions to completely disappear. Feel every muscle release and relax as you breathe deeply. And feel a sense of calm and tranquility envelop your entire being. Now focus on the muscles in your back and arms and allow all the accumulated tension in these areas to completely dissolve. Feel every muscle release and relax as you breathe deeply and dive into a deep and renewing peace. Finally, focus on the muscles in your face and head, allowing all the accumulated tension in these areas to completely disappear. Feel every muscle release and relax as you allow yourself to be surrounded by a deep sense of relief and well-being. Feel completely at ease, surrendering to this sensation of relaxation and peace as you dive into a peaceful and restorative sleep. If thoughts arise in your mind during meditation, don't worry. It's completely normal and natural for them to appear. Just observe them, as if you were watching a movie without judging or engaging with them. Let them pass, like clouds floating in the sky. If necessary, imagine that you are putting these thoughts in a box and saving them to deal with later. Not now. Now is your time to relax. This box is a safe and protected place where you can leave all your thoughts and worries, knowing that they will be there when you need them. Focus again on your breath, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling through your mouth, feeling all the tension and anxiety dissolve with each exhale. Allow yourself to relax even more deeply, feeling completely at ease and at peace. You are safe, protected, and in a calm and tranquil place, ready for restful and rejuvenating sleep. Now, as you take a deep breath, repeat the following affirmations in your mind. I am safe and protected. I deserve to rest and have a good night's sleep. My body and mind are preparing for a deep and rejuvenating sleep. Feel each of these words penetrating deeply into your mind and heart, bringing a sense of peace, tranquility, and confidence. Feel safe and protected, as if you are being enveloped in a loving embrace. You deserve to rest and have a good night's sleep because you are a valuable human being deserving of care and love. Allow yourself to feel this sense of deservingness, letting it penetrate deeply into your mind and heart. Feel your body and mind preparing for a deep and rejuvenating sleep. Allow yourself to completely relax, letting all your muscles become loose and heavy. Let your mind calm down and relax, as if it is being rocked by a gentle and comforting breeze. With each deep breath, feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed and at peace. You are safe, protected, and ready for a restorative and rejuvenating sleep. Take this moment to take care of yourself, leaving all worries and stresses of the day behind. Your mind and body will thank you for this moment of tranquility and peace. Let yourself be carried away by this feeling of peace and tranquility. Feel your body sinking into the bed, becoming heavier and more relaxed. Allow yourself to fall asleep peacefully, without worries or anxieties, because you are safe and protected. Let your mind calm down and rest, as if it is floating in a sea of tranquility and serenity. Feel at peace, completely comfortable in your own body and mind. Let this feeling of calm and comfort spread throughout your entire being, like a healing balm that soothes all worries and uncertainties. Allow yourself to fall asleep peacefully, knowing that everything will be okay and that a new day is approaching, full of opportunities and possibilities. Feel the sensation of happiness and gratitude in your heart for allowing yourself this moment of tranquility and peace. Fall asleep knowing that you are on the right path, taking care of yourself and finding peace and serenity amidst the chaos of the world. Sleep well, and may your dreams be soft and pleasant, and may you wake up refreshed and full of energy to face another day with courage and determination. I wish you an excellent night's sleep. Good night.